Good morning, community. You can see we got a little bit of clouds this morning. Very thankful. They say they're going to stick around until noon. I hope they do. You can see to the north there. I don't think they will stick around till noon, but we're sure enjoying it while we can. Now, we picked up something to prepare a little bit for this winter. We do have a Coleman camp stove, which runs off the little propanes, but we felt like maybe we needed something a little bit bigger, and this is not only good for maybe emergency situations, it's also good for just your family get-togethers, tailgate parties, or camping. Let me show you what we got, and we're going to do an unboxing. This is a 2-burner stainless steel tabletop, sorry the wind, tabletop gas grill. Super easy to put together. Let's go through. Guys, this grill is ready to go right out of the box just about. It took Greg about 10 minutes to put it together. It was very well packed. And look, it looks just like a little stainless steel suitcase. And there it is. It has the hookups for the propane. So this is for propane only, not natural gas, guys. The burners are already installed, and really all you have to do is just put the little flaps over the burners here. And Greg's going to show what that looks like here in just a minute. Very nice, very clean, very compact. Looky there, guys. Nice, very nice. Go ahead and put your grill on top. I'm very impressed with how quick this was to put together. And here is where the propane. It does have a drip tray that you're going to slide up underneath to catch that grease. You can see the L brackets, I guess is what I'd call them. And here is the tray going in. And here is your regulator. And all you really need is your propane tank, guys. And you're ready to go. This is quite the beautiful grill, if I say so myself. So let's look close up at it. Here are the closures. Guys, to just throw them back of your truck. And again, you know what? Football season is amongst us, is coming up on it. And this would be great and the perfect size for a tailgate. Has a great temperature gauge. Very nice stainless steel knobs. Lighting instructions. Be sure to close the lid. The rack is very heavy duty. The burner guards. I can't wait to put this into action. I've turned on our propane tank. So we are going to push in this knob and slowly to ignite. And Eureka! She lit right up, guys. You can see it in there. We have a little bit of wind going. We have both burners going. It lit right up. Very nice. Can turn it down. Turn down your heat. So this rack is plenty big for a couple of rack of ribs, quite a few hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken, steak, and it'll be very convenient to use. In the event that it will not automatically light, it does come with a match holder, guys. You just put your match holder here and put it right in there, and it should light right up. So if you're looking for a good tailgate cooker, a good tailgate grill, or a camping stove, or something to use in the event of an emergency, man, for the price, you really can't beat this. I'm going to put the link down below. Be sure and go check it out. And we will do a cooking video on it, guys, separately. But right now, you know that we're very dry here, and we've got to find a place where we feel comfortable lighting it up. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. I hope you like this. See you soon.